Hi everybody, it's Saturday, March 14th, 2015. This is my 2002 Explorer Sport Trac. It's got 164,000 miles on it. I just bought it maybe a couple of weeks ago, maybe just a little under 3 weeks ago. I've read a lot of info about the fuel pumps draining back and hard starting when the fuel pressure bleeds down. I've got myself an Airtex that I scored pretty cheap on eBay, but it's brand spanking new. This is the first start of the day, so it's cold. So as you can see, I'll have a hard start just like a lot of you guys talk about. So obviously didn't start on the first try, so this is what I usually have to do on most days, is cycle the key. 1, 2, 3. Voila, and it starts, and it runs like cake when it starts up, but I definitely want to replace that pump so I can do away with the hard starting issue. So that's prior to fuel pump installation.